Goods Corporation, RDL Pharmaceutical, Golden Oakleys Incorporated, Forward Davao, Buhangin Memorial Park, Agda Multi-Purpose Cooperative, Buhangin Public Market, Allison's Development and Investment Corporations, Mandawi Phone Industries Incorporated, Pagcor Davao, Orion Land Development Incorporated, Villa de Mercedes, Travel Advantage, NCCC, Buy and Sell, John James Garments Incorporated, San Miguel Brewery Incorporated, Miss Matiniana F. Van Derendon, Miss Rosana B. Doring, SBS, The Real Korean Beauty Salon, Beauty Room, and of course we also have the giver of the gift certificate for the face of the night. That will be Davao Skin and Curve Wellness Center with Skin Clinic. They are located at Door 3, YMCA Building, Villamore Street, just behind Sutherland. Now, just like all the kids who was able to dance a while ago, nasa akin na yung nasa akin na yung maninalo. But first, let's have konting, plugging. The Mindanao Dance Artists Academy would like to present the newest dance company in Davao. Their passion to give back to the community has made an impact in people's lives. They also offer classes, workshops, and studio rental directed by U.S. choreographer Gerald Mananan. This is the Academy. Now, we have a representative from the Academy. Senior representative. Meron ba? Walang tateo? Those who danced a while ago, right? Sila yung Academy. Alright, so if you would like to have those dance steps, just please do approach them. Now, at this point, ladies and gentlemen, we will going to be giving and we will going to be announcing the winner of the Face of the Night. Sino kaya napili ng tatlong judges dito? Now, the winner for the Face of the Night will receive a plaque plus 1,000 cash together with a gift certificate from Davao Skin and Curve Wellness Center by Skin Clinic. Ay, sino kaya? Can we please have here the SBS Korean representative for the giving of the award? Can we please have here the general manager? Yes. And of course the ma'am. Yes, the SBS representative yun. If the two of you can go together here. Since assessor na lahat. Alright? Naku, mapapakuriyan natin tayo ito. Maranaman lang ang Korean language. Hello sir, good evening.
Good evening.
Hindi na kayo Bisaya. Ano yun? Ang natagay, wapa daw po, ano ba? Wala ba ng area? Maganda. Maganda. Then Korean, maganda. Di ba nagwagawa siya? Question mark. Now, for the Face of the Night. My face, prettiness. That will be overall appearance, 40%, projection, 40%, and audience impact, 20%, a total of 100%. One more time. Who do you think should deserve to be the receiver of Face of the Night Award? Who is your best? What number? What number? Louder. What number? And the Face of the Night. Oh, well, the winner will be. Well, it will be your chance to say it louder. Pinapaintinis talaga. The Face of the Night winner is candidate number 10. Okay, now you can now give the flag The face of the night 2012 and a cash prize of 1,000 pesos together with a gift certificate. Now comienza el tutorial. Alright? You can actually like have a kids, like beso. No? Oh, like that. Like that. Oh, you can hold his hands. Okay. Koreano na. Well, thank you very much. Now you can proceed again. And thank you very much, sir. It's an honor to have you here. And thank you for following me. Maganda. Sa murag naguha-duha ka. Alright? Now, I have here the final tally of all of our winners for the night. Just like what I said, lahat po kayo panalo because just having the confidence and really showing to us how beautiful the creation of your fashion designers are, you are already a winner. Because the perfect beauty does not rely on just the people, but of course on the beholder. Kaya naman, the consolation prize only will receive 500 pesos for those who will be non-winners. And for the winners, let's first give the third prize. Can we please have here Vixen Tawana for the giving of the third prize? Can join me here. Enjoy the night? Yeah. I'm so glad. Naiyak ka ba? Sasabi kaya sa saniya ka? Naiyak ako rin. Sa kanina ba yun? Okay now, let's have the third prize. What will gonna be the third prize winner we're gonna bring? That would be 5,000 pesos plus a flag. Now, please do the honor. Ibibigay mo yan, hindi yan uuwi, ha? Okay. Now, let's have the third prize. So, kaya, who do you think deserves to bring home the 5,000 pesos? Who is your best?
5.
What number? My brain, 22, 23, 30, ako na lang yun. Sino what number?
9.
Ay, talaga may mga bet-bet kayo? What? Si Vixen na magsasabi sa akin kung sino. Vixen, please do the honor. Now, the third prize winner is candidate number 6. Designer here. Wow! Congratulations! And now have some picture taking. Ito muna. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. There you go. Now, two more. Can we please have here Miss Rio Batignana, our GMA Kapucha star, who is here tonight. We are so honored to have you. Ay, pwede po ba ako mag-apply ng PA? Baka pwede pa ako malay ko, di ba? Alright, hello, good evening. Good evening. Amen. Nag-picture? Para si Rosie mo sa lalaki, ba talaga ako eh. Nag-enjoy po ba kayo ang gabi? Ay, talaga. Buti naman pare. Okay. Now, let's have the second prize winner. And the second prize winner will receive 10,000 pesos plus a plaque. Now, Rio, Please do the honor. The second prize winner is model number
18.
18. Thank you so much. Ayun. Thank you so much, Real. Yes, uy, you will be guided. Ayun. Thank you so much. Now, finally, we're down to the major prize that will be given tonight. That will be a 15,000 pesos plus a black. Can we please have here the presence of the chairman of the board? Please join me here, Miss Mary Ivard Gamlet. Kim Semir ha? Kim Semir ang pinag-uusapan natin dito. Okay, ngayon ha? Tingnan natin kung pasok kaya ang bet ninyo. Who do you think will win the major prize? Who is your bet? What number? What about this one? Who is your bet? Louder! Now let's give justice to all of your shouting out there. Now the winner, our first prize, who will get a break home, the 15,000 pesos, is none other than model number. Before you say the number,
I would like